Hey, let me show you all controls of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So we can actually find the physical controls and voice controls. First of all, let's start from the standard physical controls that we can find right here. And for the media controls, we've got pinch to play and pause, double pinch to turn next track, triple pinch for turning the previous track, and we can swipe up and down to control volume level. For the pinch and hold controls, when we are not listening, we can actually change between the noise controls modes, so ambient sound, active noise cancellation, and adaptive. We can also turn off the noise controls by clicking here. And also we can switch to the Bixby. So if you want to wake Bixby, you can also switch into the Bixby. In my case, I'm not using this. It works actually the same for the right. And we got also the call controls, so we can answer a call or end call by pinching. There's like single pinch. And we can decline by pinching and holding either of the earbud. Also, we can find the lights controls. So when we pinch the earbuds, we can actually turn the lights on or off, and they will actually light up when we got at least 30% for each earbud. And this is it for the physical. Now when you go into the voice controls, it's actually the same, but now we can just use the voice commands, so we can say play music, stop music, next song, previous song, volume up, volume down, answer call, and reject call. And to use them, we have to just click on the switcher, and we can use them only in the two languages, the English and Korean. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.